how to remove saved login info on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Instagram application, and it will lead you here to your home page. Now, on your home page, on the bottom part, you will see 5 different options there. You will see your home icon, your search icon, your add or create a new post icon, the reels icon, and then of course your profile icon. Just tap on that, and then it will lead you to your profile page. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the upper right, you will see 3 dash lines there, or the burger sign. Just tap on that, and then go in, and you will see these different options. There's a lot of options there. Just tap on settings. It's the first one. And then what you want to do is to actually tap on your security there. It's actually under supervision and above add payments. Tap on security, and here you will see saved logged in info. Tap on that, and all you have to do is to toggle off that one. As you can see, it's actually logged, it's actually turned on. Just toggle that off. Now if you remove saved logged in info, you'll need to enter your username and password the next time you log in as in your profile. Just tap on remove, and now you have successfully removed your saved logged in info on Instagram. And basically that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.